Good morning, students of class 8. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, a poem where the mind is without fear, by Rabindranath Tagore. So this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and died in 1941. He was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, essayist and painter, who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet and he has won so many prizes for the songs, playwrights, essay, story writing and painting. Okay, and he has also won a Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Tagore introduced new prose and verse forms and advocate the use of colloquial language in Bengali literature. He is regarded as one of the most outstanding artists and writer of all the times. So he is one of the most outstanding artists and writer of all the times. So children, let us start with the poem. You love our family, friends and school. You love your family, friends and school. This means being loyal, faithful and dedicated because of your sense of belonging. On a large scale, this same feeling can be applied to the country you belong to. You love your country with the same authentic feelings to the extent you are willing to fight for its freedom. This strong feeling for one's country is called patriotism. Okay, so the two significant dates of our country are Independence Day on 15th August and Republic Day on 26th January. Now, the poem has been taken from Tagore's Nobel Prize winning work Gitanjali. So this poem, where the mind is without fear, has been taken from the book Gitanjali. He has written this poem before India gained independence. It expresses Tagore's vision of a new India. The poem, originally written in Bengali, was published in 1910. So this poem was written, its original form was written in Bengali in 1910, and the version translated into English by Tagore himself was published in 1912. So the original poem was written in Bengali in 1910, and the version it was translated to English in 1912. So children, this poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, is a poem which is written by Rabindranath Tagore during the period when India was struggling for freedom from the British rule. जब इंडिया स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, when it has not gone freedom, it was struggling for the freedom when we all were under the British rule. It is a part of Gitanjali, and the poem is in a form of a prayer to God, the Almighty, for the true freedom of India. So this poem has been written in a form of prayer. Being a visionary, Tagore aimed at making Mother India free united and strong. So this poem has been written before independence. So our poet Rabindranath Tagore wanted to get our country free from the British rule. So let us start with the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. So children, first of all, hear all the things properly. All the words should be focused and understood in the proper way. So where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. So the poet wants the country in which the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Mind जो है author का, mind जो है हमारा, that should be without fear. That should not be in fear, because this poem has been written during the times of when we were in British rule. So we all हम लोग का जो mind का state था, that could be understood as we were under the British rule. So the poet wanted the world in which we would be free from the all fear, and the head is held high. Head is held high, it means the head should be held high in pride. Held high here means pride, honor, samman. Okay, so the poet prays to the Almighty that his countrymen should be free from any kind of fear or oppressions or forced compulsion. He wishes that everyone in his country has his head high in dignity. Okay, he wished that everybody's head should be high in dignity. सम्मान के साथ उसका सर ऊंचा रहे. जब हम किसी के स्लेवरी में, जब हम लोग किसी के अंडर में हैं, स्लेव की तरह हम लोग के साथ बर्ताव हो रहा है, तो in that position we can't put our head high. Alright children, so he want the country to be free from all the oppressions and compulsions. Okay, now second line, where knowledge is free. So here where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free means the poet dreams of a nation where knowledge is free and not restricted to some portion of the society based on class, caste, gender and other barriers. So here wants that knowledge should be free. The poet wants knowledge. Here knowledge means to education. Here knowledge means to awareness. Here knowledge means to जागरूकता. Okay? तो जो हमारे कंट्री ऐसा मतलब इस टाइप का हमारा कंट्री हो जहाँ पे जागरूकता हो, रियलिटी को फेस करना हो, फेक से बचना हो, देयर शुड बी नो इशू, नो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. सो जो हमारे कास्ट और क्लास को लेकर अभी भी हमारे देश में होता है, अभी भी कुछ पोर्शन जगह पे होता है कि वहाँ पे घर के वहाँ पे गरीब के बच्चे नहीं पढ़ेंगे, वहाँ पे सिर्फ जो रिच फैमिलीज के बच्चे हैं वो पढ़ेंगे. सो ही वांट the education should be free. He wanted that the education should be free and there should not be any distinctions between the people or the children due to caste, class, gender and other barriers. Okay. Tagore wishes his countrymen to awaken and broaden their minds by enlightening it with the power of knowledge. Next line, where the world has not been broken up into fragments. So, where the world has not been broken up into fragments means Tagore wishes for a world which is not fragmented by the prejudices based on caste, creed, religion or other baseless superstitions. So, where the world has not been broken up into फ्रेगमेंट्स. फ्रेगमेंट्स मीन्स पीसेस. तो टैगोर जो है हमारा ऐसा जगह में, हमारा ऐसा कंट्री चाहते हैं जहाँ पे लोग जो हैं वो पीसेस में नहीं बटे हुए. पीसेस मीन्स नाउ ऑल्सो वी ऑल आर डिवाइडेड टू बाउंड्रीज होते हैं हमारे इंडिया में ही. सो मेनी स्टेट्स वी हैव. यूपी, देन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, बिहार, झारखंड, Madhya Pradesh, so many. So there is so these are places, and many, we all are one, but then also many people live in our many people of different caste and creed live in our India. And not only India, about the world. The poet is talking about the world, not only India. Okay, he wants to get freedom from the slavery, but he wants the world which should be free from all the obsessions. Okay, so from the superstitions, Tagore wishes for a world which is not. Now also we will see there are boundaries between the two countries. Okay, so he don't want that boundaries. He want the world which should not be fragmented. Okay, it should not be broken up into pieces due to caste, creed and all. Boundaries नहीं होना चाहिए. Domestic walls. What is domestic walls? जो लोग ने खुद से दीवार बना लिया है. ओके, डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स, बाय नैरो डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Narrow domestic walls means जो लोगों ने खुद से दीवार बना लिया है, जहाँ लोग मीन्स अपने आप इशू है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं, खुद से उन लोगों ने वो दीवार बना लिया है. ओके, where the words come out from the depth of truth. So where the words come out from the depth of the truth. So जहाँ पे जो words है, the words will come out of from the depth of the truth. Means Tagore wants a nation where people are truthful. Okay children, he wants the nation where the people are truthful and they should not be superficial, and words should come out from the depth of their heart. Okay, he want that जहाँ लोग सच्चाई से बात कर रहे हो. ओके, एंड नो फेक न्यूज़. जैसे अभी भी हम लोग व्हाट्सएप पे, न्यूज़ पे, मीडिया पे देखते हैं फेक न्यूज़ आर बीइंग ट्रांसफर टू द पब्लिक. तो यहाँ पे हर वर्ड्स जो होगा वो सच्चाई की गहराई से आए. कोई झूठ नहीं हो, कोई दिखावा नहीं हो, कोई कन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं हो, कोई इशू नहीं हो. हर वर्ड, जितने भी वर्ड्स हो वो गहराई से आए. ओके, all words should come from the depth of their hearts. ये नहीं कि बोल दिए मतलब कुछ भी गलत बोल दिए. जो भी बातें हो वो that comes from the depth of the heart, and they should not be superficial, and the words should come from the depth of the hearts. Okay children, so you have to pay attention towards the each and every words in this poem. So today we will study till this only, and next video we will proceed with the next lines. Okay children, till then study at home and be safe. Thank you.